Hello, my dear friends. My name is Harold, and welcome to the Sanctum, your gateway into learning and understanding the ancient wisdom of the East and West. If you're new to this channel, please remember to click that like button and subscribe to this channel. It'll help this channel grow. So, I'm very excited to announce that after a lot of hard work the past few months, finally, I have just released a brand new series on Patreon on the Major Arcana of the Tarot. So this is a long awaited series, and I've already began speaking about the tarot in the past, and you can find the link to that video above here or here. And this particular series on Patreon will focus more on the symbolism of the tarot. Now, this is something that's lesser known, but the tarot is much more than a simple system of divination to find out more about your future or what's going to happen next, or asking a question to find the answer to that particular question or something like that. It's much more than a simple system for divination. Now, the word arcana actually can imply a secret or a mystery, because that's what the word arcana means. It means a secret. So the tarot, or the major arcana and the minor arcana, represent major secrets, 22 major secrets, and the rest are 56 minor secrets. So to truly understand what the major arcana of the tarot is, it's more than a system of divination. And yes, I do talk about the symbolism and how it relates to divination in this series, but more, this is kind of a primer, so that once you understand the symbolism or have an understanding of the symbolism of the 22 cards, and there are many ways you can interact with these symbols. However, the whole point is to build up upon this series and create more meditative series on the tarot, because those 22 major arcana are actually keys in some systems of tarot. Rather than calling them the 22 major arcana, they're known as the 22 major keys, because these 22 cards have symbols that, when meditated upon, can begin to unlock certain dimensions of mind that otherwise may be untrained or dormant in human consciousness. So they're keys to unlocking the potential of human consciousness if we know how to use them. And this is the point of the tarot, and this isn't really conveyed in many other systems of tarot because it was kept hidden. So the tarot can be used to unlock hidden dimensions of human consciousness if you know how to use them. And this particular series on Patreon will consist of the symbols associated with these 22 major arcana, so that once you go through all of them, you will have a good understanding and good structure of those 22, and you can begin to work with them, whether that's to do divination, and if that's the way you want to use them, or to begin meditating on these cards. And in a future series, actually the series that will come after this particular series, to add more context to these tarot cards. So this next series will focus on the meditations and how you can interact with each card to begin unlocking a new dimension within your mind. Each of those 22 cards can be used to improve the human mind in a particular way, if you know how to use them, so that you can become closer to the nature of divinity that lies within every single one of us here. Okay, so to find this course on the 22 major arcana, you can do so by going onto my Patreon, and you'll find a link in the description box below or on the screen in front of you. And by joining this course, you will also have access to the other series that are present on my Patreon channel. And I would like you to know that the particular system of tarot that I'll be using and talking about in this system is the Rider-Waite tarot deck. However, in the future, I will talk about other systems of tarot, more esoteric systems of tarot, like the Thoth deck as well. So I hope to see you there. Thank you, take care, and I shall see you soon. Peace.